Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Today we're taking a look at the PowerVolt PD60 from Scosche. This is USB-C power delivery wall charger in a small compact design. Fits in the hand. It definitely feels like it's a solid charger. I can feel the little bit of weight that it has. Easy to open wall prongs right here. And this does 60 watts of power delivery charging. So that means you can power your laptops, your tablets, and your smartphone along with the other USB devices you have. It has the automatic charging hardware inside that will switch between whatever device you're trying to charge. Here's some more details right here in the back. You can go ahead and pause the video and take a look at the details. There'll be more details in the description below the video, of course. But this is great for your MacBook Pro M1 13-inch and your iPad Pro 12.9 or 11-inch, and your Galaxy tabs as well as your Galaxy smartphones, including the new Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3. So we're excited that this has amazing 60 watts in such a small package, and you can store it in your bag and take it with you on the go. No longer do you need a large charger to charge all of your devices that you have. So it fits in the hand, and it's small and compact for travel. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.